Hello there. In this video I'm going to show you how to make a beautiful intro for your YouTube videos and not only. Let's get it started. Our first step is to open our smartphone and download a free application called PixelFlow. Once the app is downloaded, open it and give permissions. As you see, some intro patterns are locked and you need to pay for them, but there are some beautiful free to work with. Choose a pattern you like, and click Use. Don't worry about the watermark, we will deal with it later on the video. Now add your text and change colors and positions by clicking on the arrows. Click on Change to select another font for your intro. Now move your logo a little bit higher. This will help us get rid of the watermark and our logo still be in the center. In the Background tab you can add your own video to play in the background, a solid image, a solid color or a gradient color. I like it as it is, so I won't change any of that. In the Audio tab you can add audio to your intro, but we will do this later on for better results. Now click Export in 1080p video resolution. Close the application and connect your smartphone to your PC. Copy the intro you just made to your computer. It should be stored in DCIM folder, in PixelFlow subfolder. Time to get rid of the watermark. Download and install Format Factory. Link in the description. After you do that, open Format Factory and in the Video tab choose Crop option. Load your intro. Drag the orange box to the upper left corner and then drag it from the lower right corner until you reach the start of the watermark. Click OK and then click Start button. Our edited intro should be stored in Output folder. As you see, we have successfully removed the watermark. Time to add audio to our intro. What you choose for audio, it's up to you, and it could be anything. I found an interesting piano sound in a website and I'm using this. Because my sound, it's only 8 seconds long and the video is 10 seconds, if I try connecting those two, it will create a +2 seconds audio loop and my intro will sound bad. To fix this, I have to simply add 2 empty seconds to my audio. To do that, I need Virtual DJ. Link in the description. Open Virtual DJ and load your sound to a deck. Go to Settings and click on Record tab. Press Start Record, close this window and click Play. Then immediately reopen the Record tab and press Stop Record when the audio file reaches 10 seconds, same as the length of the video. Close Virtual DJ and open Format Factory. Go to Video tab and choose Video Joiner and Mux. In the Video tab, simply load your intro. Go to Audio tab and load your final audio. Click OK and then Start. You are good to go. Your new intro has been saved in the Output folder. Enjoy.